Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited. I actually got this in last night. It's a product from bareMinerals. I was picked by an influencer to receive this. And it is the Fresh Faced Made to Match foundation from bareMinerals. And so the unique part about this is that you use your phone. It's the app. It's called the Made2Fit app. And then you start just applying it all over kind of your phone. You get it this way. So the camera light starts detecting your skin color, and so you have to do it on your upper cheeks, you have to do it on your lower cheeks, you have to do it right here, you have to do it on your forehead. And so what it's supposed to do, it's supposed to create a foundation that is going to match you perfectly. So as I mentioned, I just got this brand new, never tried it out. This is the first time, so let's do it together. Let's try this out. And like I said, this is a bareMinerals liquid foundation made to match, and it says right there I don't know if you could see it, it says my name, Liz, and then on the back it says exclusively formulated for Liz S, and also on the date that it was done, January 29, 2018, and it says made in the US, 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters, and then there's a QR code just in case I want to reorder or repurchase. As I mentioned, this is gifted. I did not purchase it. This was a gift from bareMinerals and influencer, so I am going to try this out and give my honest review about it. So this is not sponsored. I was not paid for them to talk about it. I just want to do it for you guys in case you guys have thought about maybe giving this a try or whatnot. You will see firsthand if it does work, the app that matches your foundation perfectly. So enough of me yapping, let's get it started. So it kind of looks like that. I mean, it's cute. It's a glass bottle. It's glass, I can break it, or my son can break it. Like, he breaks everything. Anyways, let me just prime my face real quickly. I'll be using the Fenty Pro Filter Primer. I'm just going to apply it on my problem areas, which are like right here where I have my pores and my nose, a little bit on my forehead. I think I'm getting a pimple because it hurts right here, but it's still not visible. You know, it just sucks. Anyways, all right. So back to the foundation. I'm going to apply it to the back of my hand, shake it. See it? Grabbing my brush, I'm just going to apply it. So I don't think Or I know for sure it did not match my skin, as it just didn't match my skin. It didn't match my skin at all. It's a bit on the beigey white side. Give it the benefit of the doubt. Go ahead and finish my face, and then I'm very disappointed. I really am. I thought it was gonna be like Fenty Beauty or even like the purest Bare It All. This no, I did not like it. But I will continue doing my face, and then I will come back later on and give you an update of how the wear is going, and just so you can see the color, if it kind of oxidized or if it just got lighter or it got flaky or whatever. I'll come back and let you know in a little bit. Sounds good? All right, so this is what the foundation looks like after 9 to 10 hours of usage. You do see a little bit of fine line right there around the laugh line in my forehead, but aside from that, it looks fairly well. The only downside to it is that it's not my color. Yeah, I saw it when I first put it on that it was not my skin tone. I think the only to blame is the app itself, because the app is what's getting the color hues of your skin. So yeah, I mean, mostly in all my foundations I'm tan or I'm caramel, and I got a beige with pink undertone foundation, so that is a big difference from what I normally wear that matches perfectly my skin. As I mentioned earlier, this was a complimentary gift from Influencer by bareMinerals, and I'm going to give my honest review about it. I mean, the foundation is great. It did a phenomenal job. It would have matched my skin, and for that reason, I cannot tell you go for it when it didn't match the skin tone. Do I make sense? I know if I would have been, you know, just a regular paying customer, and I would have downloaded the app and done the exact same thing, and I would have ended up with the foundation that I got, I would be pissed. Because I was pissed when I got the Burke Bees foundation that was completely different from my skin tone. And so, you know, this foundation costs $39, and for some people maybe that's not enough, you know, that's just whatever. But $39 is $39. You could purchase other types of makeup or lipsticks or whatever you want, and I know that, you know, it would have pissed off people if you got the wrong foundation, if the app didn't pick up the foundation that was really your skin. So yeah, sucks. Anyways, so thank you all for watching. I'll see you all on my next makeup tutorial. If you do want to continue seeing kind of like product reviews like this one, let me know. Also comment down below. I'm open to ideas. Anyways, thank you all. Have a wonderful rest of your day and a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll see you all on my next makeup tutorial. Bye bye.